Hi, I'm Sean, Product Engineer here at Durofix, and today I'm excited to share with you our Durofix range of oil pulse tools. Durofix oil pulse tools are durable, ergonomic, accurate, reliable and cost effective. Durability is assured through our innovative cooling design that minimises pulse heat generation, ensuring stable operation throughout the workday. Ergonomics are assured through our direct integration of our high-power electric motor into our oil pulse unit. This results in low vibration, low noise and very low reaction forces, making production lines safer and more ergonomic for operators. Accuracy and reliability are ensured through our Auto-shutoff mechanism, which operates electronically by detecting the pressure change in our specially designed oil pulse chambers. The tool is also designed to stop when the battery is low to prevent your fasteners from being under-torqued. The Durofix range of oil pulse tools come in two form factors. Firstly, our 20V RZ2013 tool, available with both 3/8" square and 1/4" quick drive hex. This tool is applicable for torque applications up to 50 Nm. Then we have our 40V RZ4014 tool, available with a 1/2" square drive. This tool is larger, but is applicable for torque applications up to 90 Nm. Looking closer at the RZ2013, demonstrating on an M10 hard joint, we can see that the tool can reach 50 Nm very easily at a fastening rate of 6 fastenings per minute, at an accuracy level of ±15%. Looking closer at the RZ4014, demonstrated on an M12 hard joint, we can see that the tool can reach 90 Nm very easily at a fastening rate of 6 fastenings per minute and at an accuracy level of ±15%. For both tools, our accurate auto-shutoff capabilities are achieved through our special hydraulic pulse units. This greatly improves your process efficiencies by eliminating operator errors from the equation. Durofix oil pulse tools are therefore one of the most cost-effective methods of improving the productivity of your production lines. Adjusting the target torque is simply achieved through two simple hand tools. Accessing the hydraulic pulse unit is done by removing the dust covering screw on the front of the tool. Once in, turning the torque adjustment screw counterclockwise reduces the final target torque. Turning the torque adjustment screw clockwise increases the final target torque. Maximum torque is achieved by turning the adjustment screw clockwise until resistance, then back by around 90 degrees to account for the pressure drop-off at the top end of the torque range. Considering ergonomics, our Durofix oil pulse tools are certified at a tool vibration magnitude of less than 2.5 meters per second squared, even when operated at their maximum respective torque ratings. This means that your operators can use these tools all day without breaching the daily exposure action value for halves. As a result, your operators are protected from injury, you're protected from lawsuits, and your processes can remain safe and efficient, boosting productivity all around. The Durofix range of oil pulse tools also come as standard with two-way wireless communication over Bluetooth, allowing for seamless integration into both PC and PLC systems. One-way and two-way wireless communication can be achieved with our DR002 box, which plugs directly into your PC systems through an RJ45 Ethernet connection, or PLC systems with its built-in I/O ports. Once connected to your PC systems, you gain the ability to adjust the parameters on the tool, as well as monitor real-time fastening data and trace up to 1,000 points of timestamped historical fastenings saved directly within the tools. The Durofix range of oil pulse tools can deliver up to 90 Nm of torque at less than 2.5 meters per second squared of vibration, while also communicating wirelessly in real time to your PC or PLC systems. Durofix oil pulse tools are therefore an intelligent, productivity-driven and ergonomical solution for your processes. Thank you for your time and attention today. we are very excited to share with you our range of hydraulic oil pulse tools. I've been Sean at Durofix. To find out more, please either visit www.durofix.co.uk or drop us an email at sales@durofix.co.uk.